Hello students, welcome back with the new lecture, that is lecture number 3 of chapter 1, Arrival of Europeans in India. Hope you all have gone through the previous lectures. Students, today we are going to study about the person who actually discovered the new sea route to India, and his name is Vasco da Gama. He was the native of Portugal. Students, he took the same route which Bartholomew Dias has discovered, that is till Cape of Good Hope, and thereafter crossing Indian Ocean he reached to the Calicut port on 22nd May 1498. He then went to the ruling king of Calicut named Zamorin and requested him to let them carry out trade in India, on which the king Zamorin accepted. This is how the Portuguese started their trade in India. Students, they did not stop here itself. As the days passed, they established their fort at Calicut in 1500 CE and appointed a commander-in-chief, namely Albuquerque, to safeguard the fort. Albuquerque then moved towards north and captured Goa in the year 1506 CE. And likewise, with a span of 100 years, they took control over Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and island of Lanka. Now students, let us see how the Portuguese rule came to an end. Students, in the beginning of 17th century, Portuguese expanded their rule in Bengal with the consent of Shah Jahan. But as days passed, their behavior changed. So the Subedar complained the same to Shah Jahan. And as a result of this, the fort of Hooghly was demolished and the ships were burnt as per the order of the emperor. In this way, the Portuguese rule came to an end, but they left with some of the territories like Diu, Daman and Goa. Now, the next topic is the Dutch. Students, the Dutch of Holland, now known as the Netherlands, came to India for trading about 100 years after the Portuguese arrived, that is at the end of 16th century. Initially, they established their fort at Pulicat and Madras, which is now known as Chennai. They also established their fort at Agra in the year 1663. But after the arrival of Britishers in India, they could not withstand the competition against them, and hence their rule ended in India. Now the next topic is British interest in India. Students, around 1600 CE, during the rule of Queen Elizabeth of England, the group of merchants of England established the East India Company to carry out trade in India. They wanted to increase their wealth by undertaking trade with India. And as a result, the first British ship arrived at port of Surat in the year 1608 CE. The captain of the ship, William Hawkins, was the first British to set his foot in India. He then went to Emperor Jahangir, but he did not get his permission to trade. Thereafter, Sir Thomas Roy arrived in India and acquired permission to establish the trade in India. Then, After some years, Shah Jahan went to Delhi and gave permission to Britishers to carry out trade in Bengal. Students, this is how Britishers came to India. In next lecture, we will study how traders became ruler. This is all for today's lecture. Hope you all have understood. If not, please go through it once more. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.